All right, guys, what is going on? Alex's RT Life here. So as you can see, my ABS light is still on after we return to our Diablo tune. So we're going to try different ways we can get rid of that ABS light. So first thing we're going to try is by adjusting the tire size and see if that does anything. After that, we'll use the Diablo built-in scan tool to try to remove it. So let's get right into it. Okay, I don't know how we got there. So we'll go into tuning. And we'll do a quick adjust. And we'll do our tire size. So we'll go 265, 40, 22. We'll save it. Okay, that's adjusted. Go back, exit. All right, so I'm looking at the dash and that did indeed remove the ABS light. So that's what it was, but let's power it off and see what happens. So the ABS light definitely went out when I adjusted the tire size. So we're back to our Diablo tune, and I will use the Diablo tuner to adjust the tire size back to our 22s, and the ABS light did in fact go out. Let's turn the vehicle off. Disconnect our tuner. And if we fire it up, that ABS light should not come on now. Let's see what happens. ABS light should, oh, it went out. There it is. It worked, guys. So that was actually the issue the whole time. So we know, in fact, now that once we readjust our tire size, when we have the Diablo tune back reloaded, that's going to get rid of that ABS light that we had. But it's kind of weird because when we went back to stock and we adjusted our tire size, it would not let us, and it threw the ABS code. But again, Diablo Sport said this is a issue with Durangos only. They don't have it with any other Mopar vehicle. It's just the Durangos, and it's weird. But now we finally got rid of it, guys, and I'm ecstatic. Glad that little light isn't there. Makes your day a lot less stressful without seeing any kind of a light thrown on your dash. But now, guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you appreciated this troubleshooting with the Diablo tune here, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex's RT Life signing off.